guys, and welcome to my first YouTube video. A couple of days ago, I've launched on my Instagram account a poll asking whether I should have had my own makeup tutorials. The response was amazing. Like over 90% of my followers were asking me, please actually do it. So in addition, my whole family was asking me, how do you do your makeups? Like, you're always so nice. And I have zero skills, I have zero experience. I'm not a MUA artist, I'm not a makeup artist of any genre. Nevertheless, here I am. So today we're gonna focus on this pink smoky eye, and I'm gonna focus just on the eyes. Therefore, I have not applied any foundation, or I'm not gonna do any contouring, just so we can focus on the eyes itself. To start, I'm gonna give you a small starter pack in order to achieve this look. First of all, this is my highlighter, which I applied here and here, and I usually apply on my cheek, nose, and chin. It's only £1, and I've got it from Superdrug. I'm literally obsessed with it. I just love it, and since I found it, I could not live without it. There are more colors which I'm gonna try for you guys on later on. I'll write in the description as well, but it's called Divine number 2. So I definitely recommend it. To move on, these are the two palettes that I'm gonna use. One is Anastasia. Bear in mind that with Anastasia, you only need to apply a small amount of products because the pigments are so strong that are gonna color your whole face eventually. So yeah, you only need a small amount of product, and I love this palette because it lasts very long. Technic instead, it's from Primark. It's only £3, but it does the trick. I like to keep some of my makeups very cheap, not because I don't care about my skin. Definitely, if you go for skincare, you should spend as much as you can. But in terms of eyeshadow, I do trust Primark and I do trust Superdrug. So £1 and £3 are my 100% starter pack. I cannot live without these two products. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. Alright, to start, what I like to do is take away the hair of my face, so I could have like a clear canvas. Then I like to use some serum in order to make my face slightly more oily. I don't have any kind of problems with my skin, but I just like to do it since I'm gonna be applying products on it. Afterwards, I'm gonna apply some primer. This is a mint one, so at this very point my skin is literally burning, but that's fine because it's super nice and it does regenerates the skin. So then I let it dry off. So here is the Wycon cream for the eyebrows and the brush, and then I'm applying the Superdrug highlighter, which I love, on the top of my eyelid and then inside the inside of my eyes. And then of course blend it, and I do it right before I start to color my eyebrows, so it will kind of save those areas from getting dirty. Then I start to draw my eyebrows. I usually draw the outline first and then brush it in with a brush. Of course, it does make some dirt around my eye, which I clean up with some paper. And that's your result. Then we will use some tape in order to start the eyeshadow work. I will cut about this much and I will apply it to my eye following the line of the eyeliner that I would want to create. So to the right angle. Then I'm gonna use this Anastasia palette, which will be in the description, and I will use the Dusty and apply it to the top of my eyelid in order to create depth. We'll proceed then to apply Technic from Primark. I usually just use my fingertip because it works so well. As I said, it's not the most expensive of the eyeshadows, and it does apply very well with the fingers, but you're more than welcome to use a brush. I would recommend like a very tight brush because it can be a bit hard to come off. I'm going to proceed by applying this dark brown in order to create more depth and give that kind of pinkish shaded effect. I will apply it on the side of my eyelid and I will blend it into my eyelid, and as well on the top where I created that kind of depth effect. And now it's time for the eyeliner. So it has to be known that my eyeliner is constantly dry. Regardless, the tape is gonna help you out in building the eyeliner point. However, I like to start from the middle of my eyelid and create this kind of like curve on the top. Alright, let's shake some more my dry eyeliner because it's time for the point of my eyeliner. I promise you with the tape it's super easy, and I'll try in my next video to show it a little better. I usually don't draw the whole point. I leave a bit of gap between my eyelid and the actual point. I'm very proud of myself because they actually looked alike. Removing the tape is very painful, so I recommend if you have any paper tape, that's way better. I'm in Italy visiting my family for Christmas, so I didn't have anything else. So yeah, extremely proud. The points looked exactly the same today. Next, of course, I'm gonna fill out the gaps that I left. Way easier without the tape, I have to say. And then it's time for the mascara. I love this mascara, it's literally amazing. I was using Better Than Sex, always from Too Faced, but Damn Girl is even better. It's just really amazing. Because I'm extreme and I love pink, I'm gonna use this pink lip gloss from L'Oreal. Again, it's gonna be in the description. And yeah, that's the complete look. Let's take off these ugly pins from my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know if you want to see anything else, if I forgot any informations. And yeah, would love to hear your feedback.